Surviving 24 hours in a winter blizzard at negative 13 degrees Celsius tests every survival skill you have. In this video, watch a complete solo winter camping scenario from start to finish. Site selection and preparation, building a self-feeding fire that burns all night, setting up shelter in extreme cold, cooking methods in sub-zero temperatures, and managing heat loss during a 12-hour winter night. This is hardcore winter survival. Everything you see is essential to staying alive in these conditions. This is a self-feeding fire design. Notice how the logs are positioned at an angle. As the bottom log burns away, gravity pulls the next log down to replace it. This design was used by trappers and frontier settlers who needed fires that would burn all night without constant attention. In negative 13-degree conditions, letting your fire die means potential hypothermia. A well-built self-feeding fire can burn for 8 to 12 hours with a single setup. The 4 angled supports create a channel that guides the logs downward as they burn. Simple physics keeping you alive. Tent positioning in winter survival is critical. Notice how it's placed close enough to the fire for radiant heat, but far enough that sparks won't damage the fabric. More importantly, the tent is positioned so the fire blocks the prevailing wind, creating a microclimate that can be 10 to 15 degrees warmer than the surrounding forest. In blizzard conditions like this, wind chill can drop the effective temperature to negative 25 or negative 30 degrees. This setup, fire as windbreak, tent as insulation, is the difference between surviving the night and succumbing to exposure. Calorie intake is crucial after a cold night. Your body has burned through stored energy, just maintaining core temperature. In conditions like this, you can burn an extra 1,500 to 2,000 calories per day compared to normal. The high-fat foods here, steak, avocado, provide dense energy that's essential for winter survival. Notice also the hot tea. Warm liquids help restore core temperature after a cold night. In survival situations, many people focus only on shelter and forget that food is fuel. And in the cold, you need more fuel than you think. Surviving 24 hours in -13-degree blizzard conditions requires 3 critical elements: continuous fire for warmth, proper shelter positioning to maximize heat retention, and sufficient high-calorie food to fuel your body's heating system. The self-feeding fire design is the key technique here. It maintains warmth all night without constant attention. In real winter survival, your biggest enemies are hypothermia and exhaustion. Smart fire management and strategic calorie intake solve both. Which technique from this video would you prioritize first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Survival Atlas for more extreme environment survival.